Yep. Definitely do like only 3 inches at a time. I waited for 5 inches and I'm tired. Yep. 3 inches it is. And definitely not anything more than 3 inches. Who's a good boy? Ready for round 2? Oh my god. This cold is no joke. It's cold as hell. I had a glove malfunction. My hands, fingertips got frozen. But I got most of it done. So, round 2. Warming up my fingers, putting my gloves in the dryer for round 3. Yep, that's about enough. I think I'm done until springtime. Need 2 little pathways for my tires so I can get out, and then the rest. Where did all the snow come from? I don't understand. If it was warmer and we got rain, would we have been flooded? Yeah, I'm done for until winter. Good enough. A+. This is why you must be nice to your neighbors. Always be nice to your neighbors. Thanks, Mike.